So I think I'm using it. So now going to solve the C problem of dig 3. Restore the array. So the problem says that Christina had an array A of length n consisting of non-negative integers. She built a new array B of length n minus 1 such that B of I equal to maximum of uh, A of I variable and value and the A of I plus 1 value. And I is ranging from 1 to n minus 1. For example, suppose Christina has an array A 30405 of length 5, then she did the following: calculated B1 equal to maximum of A1, comma A2 equals to maximum 3, 3 comma 0, B2 equal to 4 as 0 comma 4 from the maximum of 0 comma 4 is 4, and B3 maximum A3 and A4 of 4 comma 0 equal to 4, and B4 equal to maximum A4 comma A5 maximum of 0 comma 5 equal to 5. So as a result, she got an answer array B 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5 of length 4. So this is the array she got 3 4 4 5. You know the array B. Find the matching array A that Christina may have originally had. So we have to find, we are given the B array which is made through the this operation. This operation. So to find the array A from which this array is made. So n is 20 to the power 5 and bi equal to 20 to the power 9. So for each test case, test case on a separate line, print exactly n non-negative integer, the element of the array A that Christina originally had. If there are several possible answers, output any of them. So let's break down this problem. If you see in the problem that we are given an array B, if this is the array B, if this is the array B, then we should have to tell the array A from which this array B is made through that operations. Like if the array A is equal to 3040, then we can get this array B 3445 very easily. Like, and array A should be not length should be not more than 5. So it is the condition and the operation we have to perform. So if we take this one and this one, maximum of this two, we will get 3. Then if we get maximum of this one and this one, we will get 4. Then if we take maximum of this one and this one, we will get 4 one more time. Then finally, if we take this one and this one, we will get 5. So this how we have to make an array A so that if we perform this operation, we will get the array B. We see one more approach like this in the 1, 2, 3, and fourth in the fourth test case. We are given the array B like this. If we build an array A like this equal to as a 0 and 3. If we take maximum of this two, we will get 3. Then if we take maximum of this two, we will get 4. Then this two, 4. Then this two, 4. We will get this. If we take the array from it, then it is impossible to make this array from this array. Now, we have to visible the 0. So, to take the 0, we have to write 0 to 10 to get the maximum of this two. The maximum of this two is obviously 0. And after that, if we simply write down 3, then maximum of these two will definitely be 3. Then after that, 4. If we simply write down 4. The maximum of these two will be definitely 4. Then after that, if we take one more time 4, then the maximum of these two will be 4 one more time. And finally last equal to 3. Then if we write down 3, see that we will never get 3 one more time. So we have to write a minimum value less than 3 here so that we can get 3. As 4 is the bigger value, is the greatest value, is bigger than 3. If we write down any minimum value here, if we write down any minimum value here, which is less than 3, which is less than 3, any value which is less than 3, if we write here, then we will definitely get 4 two times. Yeah, 4. Definitely get 4 two times. Like the 4, we are getting 4 from here also. And if the minimum value is there less than 3, then it is definitely less than 4. Then we will also get the 4 from here also. So if there is 4 comma 4, we are getting 4 and not getting 3. And if we write here 3 and write here a less value than 3, less value than 3 right here, then we will definitely obviously get 3 here. So our condition will be satisfied. So uh, let's break down one more test case. Like we have to uh, satisfy this array. So if a equal to 8, we are write down in 8 and taking it, we are getting it. Yeah, getting it. Very good. Then if we write 1, we will not get 1. Then we have to add 0 for get 1. So 0, 1. And after that, if we write down 3, then we will definitely get 3. 5, definitely get 5. So this are satisfied. Then ultimately if we write finally 10, then maximum of this two will be, sorry for the interruption. Uh, the maximum of the last two element from here will definitely also 10. So what will be the intuition? What will be the uh, uh, approach for this problem? The approach of the solution for this problem. So just think about it. Think about, like, if we just take the maximum of this element, if we build an array B, like we build array B from array A, and if we build another array C from B, like here is 4 2 5 5, if we build another array from B equal to C, which is built from B, like we will get 4 5 and 5, and we here have 4 2 5 5. We have to get this array from C. B, we build an array C from B, and if we have to get array B from C, we have to add some element to get B from C. And if we make it possible to get B from C, we by adding some extra element, then isn't it that C will be a possible answer? Like we can also write it like C equal to B if we get uh, the array B after adding some element from C, obviously. So if we make some changes, like let's break down a single test case, then it will be more clear. So if you take this test case, mm, yeah, if you take this test case, this is the array B, and we are building an array C from it. So it will be 8, then it will be 3, then it will be 5, then it will be 10. Now how can get B from C? Like 8 is equal to 8. It is same. No element will be needed. Then 1 is not equal to 3. We have to add 1 to get it. Okay. Yeah. We are not like it is the maximum of it. This is the maximum of it. So the maximum element will be added here. Like the maximum of every adjacent element will be added there in minus one element. Okay. So 8 equal to 8. First element equal to first element. So it is possible. We can get like 1. There is no 1. So if we have to add 1 from it, we have to add here a 0 to add 1. Isn't it? Yeah. So add 0. If we add 0, then 0 1 will be 1. So it becomes 1. Okay. Then we will compare this value and this value. 3 and 3 equal to same. Then 5 and 5 equal to same. Then 10 and 10 equal to same. Then it is. Then finally see that friend. If we add a 0 1 0 before 1 in the array B, we very easily and definitely get array 1 as array C, like array A. Like after adding, suppose it is array A, 1, then we will very easily get array B from it, like 0, 1, 3, 5, and 10. Like the maximum of this two will be 8, then this two will be 1, then this two will be 3, this two will be 5, this two will be 10. So this is very easy. This will be possible to get B from it. So this is the intuition. We will just count or count, no, not count. We just find, we'll just find, we have to find the maximum. We have to just build another array C from array B by how in that way how the B is made from it. So just made it like maximum of 3, then the maximum from here is 4, then 4, then another 4. Then just iteratively take two pointers here. Take a pointer I equal to here and take a pointer j equal to here. If I and j is same, then we have to just increment I plus plus and j plus plus. Not no, and we have to just push that element into our resulting array. If both of the value are same, if not same, if I not equal to 3, then we have to just for the first time if I not equal to j, means b of I not equal to c of j for the first time. For the first time, if b of I not equal to c of j, then we have to just push. We have to just push the b of ith element two times. Why it is two times? Because the maximum is 3 and minimum is 0. It is not equal. So to get 0 in the array B, we have to get another same value. Then if we take two zeros and compare it, then we can get 0. So it is the intuition. If this is not equal for the first time, we will just push that I value two times. So we'll push 0 comma 0 for the first time. Then after that we will just we have to increase the ith value, not the jth value. Okay, ith value, as the ith value is the minimum value which we missed. So we just increment ith value, then compare I and j value. It is same. Yeah, just increment it. Then I will be here and the j will be here. Same. Yeah. Then increment it. Simply increment it. Then same. Yeah. Increment it. Then same. No, not same. For the second time, B of I not equal to C of j. Then so we have to build an array of size 6 and b is equal to n minus 1. So we already made an extra element. We already inserted an extra element for the first time when b of I not equal to c of j. Yeah, understand? So for the next time, we are not supposed to insert an extra element. Like here is 4 and 4. The 4 is coming multiple times. If we delete this element, this 4, like for the operation we inserted 4 and 4, and for the 3 and 4 uh, it is not same for the second time, and 4 and 4 coming two times. Suppose so we don't have to we are not allowed to insert an extra element. So suppose if we erase the previous extra 4 and insert a lesser value than 3 from b of I, like insert a lesser value or equal value 3, okay, lesser or equal to get 3, okay, and insert the ith value, okay, then we will definitely get the b. Like at the time of 4 4, at the time if there is 4 4, if we get the maximum from this two element, we will get 4, as well as if we as well as 3 is lesser than that 4, and if we insert at the middle of it the lesser or equal to 3, then it will be definitely lesser than 4. So we can also get 4 here. So 4 comma 3 is also we can get 3, and 4 comma 4 we can also get 4 here. So this is the intuition. So the observation is, for the first time we will just make an array from B with that same operations. Second time there will be two pointers. To take two pointers, I will be initially 0, I comma j. Both will be starting from initially 0. Then third is, if b of I not equal to c of j, the extra array which I made it, not equal to c of j. Okay, for the first time, one at time. Okay, we will push b of I two times. Okay, to b of I, we will push to b of I. Means two times b of I. B of I one time, b of I, b of I. Push b of I and then b of I. We'll push b of I two times. Okay. After that, we will just compare b of I and c of j. If this there that is equal, then we will definitely insert b of I one time. After that, if it is not, for the second time, we will pop the previous element as it is coming multiple times, as it is coming multiple times. So if we pop the previous element and insert the same value as b of I, then we will get definitely b of I also condition will be satisfied. Then the previous element which is popped, that will also come two times. Like it is come as before, and it will come for 3 also. Okay, so this is the intuition. Mm, let's see the code. Okay, let's see the code in our. Okay, so I just do that. So if we the code is very easy, you can very easily understand. Like we are taking the array and just making the maximum value in the answer array. We are just getting making another array from B from with the operation which is stated in our problem. Then we are getting the final result after our operation. So I am taking a flag to track our first operation is made it or not. So the condition is I and j is in the range of answer and our initial array b or a. Here b is initialized with a. Okay. So if a of I not equal to answer of j for the first time, when the OK equal to false, then we will just definitely push a of I two times and increment our I, and we will true our flag. After that, for the second time, if it is not, then we will pop the previous element and push our array two times, so that we will get that value uh, in the final array, and we will increment I plus j. And if it is not, if it is both equal, then we will just simply push and increment the element. And after that, if I is in range and j is out of range, it means j is finished, but ith value is not finished. So we have to push the ith value two times to get the ith value. And finally, we are going to answer. So this is a little bit complex implementation. I tried my best to explain. Hope you understand.